Welcome to Grand Online Academy. I am Dr. Cabdirsaaq, and today we are talking about the British versus the American accent. Before we get into the lesson, we are taking new English online classes. And if you are interested, you can contact us at the numbers that we put at the down of the screen. So contact us now and we will give you further information about the courses that we offer here at Grand Online Academy. Maanta waxaan ka hadlaynaa the British versus American accent. Lahjada Ingiriiska ee Britishka iyo Mareykanku maxay ku kala duwan yihiin? How they are different. How can you tell if the person is speaking the British or if the person is speaking the American accent? Okay, marka sidoo kale kalaasiya socda isdiiwaangelin baad socota. Nagala soo xidhiidh nambarada ku yaala shaashada xaggeeda hoose si aad macluumaad dheeraad ah u hesho. So contact us now. The British versus the American accent. Accent or lahjad. Okay, so first of all, we will look at the word differences. And also, I want to give you an advice. If you want to learn English the proper way, you have to stick with one accent. That doesn't English comparato. Hal accent when either British or American. So whichever accent that you choose, just make sure that you learn that one the right way, okay? Do not mix the accents together, otherwise that will get you confused. Okay, word difference. Rubbish. Rubbish, this is a British. Rubbish. That is a rubbish. Can you get the rubbish out? Rubbish, hashishka tibida ma usari kartaa. This is called trash. But the Americans, hashishka waxay yidhahdaan trash. Trash. So that's American. Okay, in the British, in the British, they say mobile. Mobile, the Americans, they say cell. So mobile, that's the British, and this is cell. Cell phone and mobile phone. Mobile phone, that's the British. Cell phone, that's the American. So you think like they're different. So we are going to focus on specific sounds. We will focus on the R sound and the T sound. I personally use the British accent. So mostly I will tell you how you can pronounce it as the British, and also I will also pronounce it as the American accent. Okay, so this is the R. So for example, if a British person is pronouncing that word far, the R is silent. In the British accent. So, far, far. I live far away. I live far away. Meel fog baan ku noolahay. Meel fog ayaan ku noolahay. Far away. Okay. And marka la eego, the American English wuxuu noqonayaa I live far away. Far away. In the American English, they exaggerate the R. Far, car, teacher. Okay? Unlike the British accent, I live far away. Car, weather, teacher. So the R is silent. Okay, this one. In the British English, O. Tea or coffee. Tea or coffee. So again, you see the R is silent. The R is silent. Okay, let's see the American way. Or tea or coffee. Tea or coffee. You see? So it's different again. So one simple way that you can tell the British accent from the American accent is that you look at the R. That's British. That's American. That is American. That is British. The other way that you can tell if the person is speaking British English or American English is that if you look at the T, water, so in the British English, the T is pronounced as normal T, water. Unlike the American English, they pronounce it as water. Water. Get me water, please. That is the American. So get me water, please. That is the British English. So better, he's better. That is the British English. The American English, it will be better. He's better. He's better. So I hope that is the end of the lesson. Let's recap the whole lesson again one more time. So these are the word difference. Rubbish or trash. Rubbish is the British. Trash is the American. Mobile, that's the British. Cell is the American. So mobile phone or cell phone. Far. I live far away. I live far away. Or tea or coffee. So that is the British. The American will be far. I live far away. Or tea or coffee. Water. Get me water, please. Better. He's better. That is the British English. So let's look at the American one. Water. Get me water, please. Better. He's better. So if you want to learn more about the accents and how you can correct your accent in general, you can contact us now, send us a message, or you can contact us through the numbers that we put at the down of the screen. So I hope the lesson has been helpful, and also I hope that now you have basically an idea about how you can tell which accent is American and which accent is British. So that is the end of the lesson. I hope you will join us next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.